Hi, my name is Arsh and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be decoding the bill with you today, and I'm going to be starting off with the front face. On the front face, we have the first thing is the picture of George Washington, and he was the first president. You can also see that it says Washington right on the bottom face. Then we have these little what do we call these little green numbers, and these represent the serial numbers. They're the exact same numbers, but they're on two different sides. This one is for when you're righty, you count the bills like this, so you are going to see that side. And if you're lefty, you count the bills like this, so you see the left side. That is basically just another way to see which bill it is. That big black circle, it says on top Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, Georgia. That little big number in the middle, F, that represents, it's like a quicker way to tell if that is where you find it, because if you look at a bill from far away, you would actually see the letter. So that's another way to tell where it was from. Then these are like 6, 6, 6, 6. These sixes are like another quicker way to tell where it was printed. So with that, I really like decoding the front face. That's really fun. And we have these other little stuff that's known as legal tender for all debts, public and private. We have all these other good things. This signature is the Treasurer of the United States. I can't really read signatures, so that's what that said. And the signature here represents the Secretary of the Treasury. So, and then there's one final thing, the Series 2013. That is when the bill was printed. Not necessarily all bills were printed in 2013, so that would be different. Now we're gonna move on to the back face. In the back face, we have two main pictures. One is the pyramid, and the second is the little eagle up there. So we're going to be starting off with the eagle. So the eagle is, let me move this taller ball. The eagle has, and one fact before I start, 13 is the number 13 is the original 13 colonies of the United States. So I'll be telling you what that means anyways. So here we can see that the eagle in his left hand, he has 13 arrows. That 13 arrows represents the war of the United States, and the 13 olive leaves in his right hand represent peace. If you look closely, there's little balls in the main stem of that thing, of that plant. That also is 13. So these two are also 13, but mean different. Then that shield in the middle, just like the United States flag, that has 13 stripes, again representing the 13 original colonies. And there we have little word in those ribbons. I don't know how to pronounce it, but plurimus human. I think that's how we pronounce it. It also, surprisingly, coincidentally, has 13 letters too. Then finally, the little stars up there are 13, again representing the colonies, and has like little rays and a big cloud buff on it. So we're going to be going on to now the pyramid of the other side. It says the big name. I don't know how to pronounce it again. Anuit Queptus, I think. So that it also has 13 letters, and it's a Spanish word. And that Anuit Queptus means God has favored our undertaking. So that's really surprising. And we can see that's an eye. That is like some type of the same meaning that Anuit Queptus has. And again, it says it says MDCCLXXVI. That is a Roman numeral for 1776, where the Declaration of Independence was signed. Again, the number 13, we have 13 layers of the bricks on the pyramid. And the And also on the ribbon it says, I don't know how to pronounce it again, Novus Ordo Seclum. So that is a new order of the ages. That's what that means. Then that's basically the whole dollar bill. Again, I'm gonna show you all the 13s that were on the dollar bill. So now let's see again. On the pyramid, the 13 layers of the bricks, 13 letters in Annuit Queptus, and then on the eagle right here, it has 13 stars, 13 stripes on the shield, 13 olive leaves, 13 olives on the leaves, 13 arrows, and 13 letters in Plurus Human. So thank you for watching this video. And again, one more thing, like I was saying, on the bank where it says Bank of Atlanta, Georgia, on this bill it says B, Bank of New York, New York. And the series again, it says Series 2013, and I think this one's also Series 2013, right there. So again, thank you for watching this video. See you next time on my next video. Bye. Thank you.